In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out from Bolt app 2026. If you want to sign out of your Bolt account on your phone, this process is quick and straightforward. Whether you're using an Android device or an iPhone, the steps are very similar so you can follow along easily. To begin, open the Bolt app on your phone. Make sure the app has fully loaded so you can access the main menu without any issues. If you're already signed in, you should be able to see the home screen or your usual account view. Once you're inside the app, go to your account section. This is where Bolt keeps your personal profile and app-related options. Depending on your version of the app, the account button may be located in the bottom menu or inside a main navigation menu, so just tap on Account to continue. After that, tap Settings. This section contains the controls for your app preferences, account management, and session options. If you don't spot it immediately, take a second to look through the available account options carefully. Now scroll through the settings or account page until you find the logout option. In some versions of the app, it may say log out, while in others it could say sign out or something similar. The exact wording can vary slightly depending on updates, but it will usually be near the lower part of the settings menu. Once you find it, tap log out. This tells the app that you want to end your current session on that device. If Bolt asks for confirmation, go ahead and tap Logout again or tap Yes, depending on what appears on your screen. This extra confirmation helps prevent accidental signouts, so it's completely normal if you see that message. After confirming, the app should log you out and return you to the Bolt welcome screen or login screen. That's the easiest way to verify that the process was successful. If you can see the sign-in page again, then you are officially logged out. One important thing to keep in mind is that logging out does not delete your Bolt account. Your account still exists and you can sign back in anytime using your usual login details. Logging out simply removes your active session from that device. If you're having trouble finding the option, make sure the app is updated to the latest version, since menu layouts can sometimes change slightly over time. And that's how to log out from the Bolt app in 2026.